Yo, listen up. If you think Python is easy mode and JavaScript is the cool kid, let me introduce you to the OG badass of the programming. C. This language doesn't hold your hand. It throws you to the deep end and says, "Screw nerd." C is created at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. Yeah, it's a boomer, but it is very popular. And the reason for its popularity is because it's a fundamental language for fields of computer science. So, why C programmers feel like brain giga-chats? Ever get that dopamine rush when you finally fix a seg fault after 5 hours? Well, that's C, baby. Your brain literally rewards you for suffering. It makes sense when you know you have to write more code to print hello world. Comparing to one-line print in Python, you feel like what you're doing is more expert, and expert equals to cool. Python is like riding a bike with training wheels. C is like building the bike from scratch. Why C is so hard? C is raw unfiltered machine type. Oh, you wanna print hello world? Cool. No manage your own memory like an IT janitor. Other languages like, here's a garbage collector, but C be like, you are the garbage collector. And all of this additional knowledge you need to code C will boost your aura and make you a total badass. Or a nerd who knows too much and throws hate on other languages. But probably the cool one. And that's why college forced you to learn C first. It's like a bootcamp. Survive this and every other language feel like a cheat code. So let's talk about C's speed. C is faster than your X moving on. Why? Because it's compiled, not interpreted. If you don't know what is compiled and what is interpreted, don't worry, we don't bully you. We just laugh at you because of your lack of knowledge and act like we know everything. So, compiler translates the entire program at once, but interpreter translates program line by line. And basically that's why interpreter languages are a little slower than compiler languages. So, need a speed? C. Need control? C. Need to flex on Reddit about your nanosecond optimizations? Absolutely C. Random facts to make you sim for C. The C++ textbook is 1500 pages. And they say it's still not complete. Python, PHP and even your favorite language were probably written in C. C is the daddy. Doom, the game that defined first-person shooter, was written in C. By the way, did you know programmers made a code that you can play Doom in Excel? Super cool. Not related to C, but again, super cool. Your OS, C. Your database, C. NASA's rocket controls, C++. This shit is literally rocket science. TensorFlow, PyTorch, C++ backend. Even AI boasts to C. So yeah, C is scary, but it also power. It's the Dark Souls of coding. Brutal, but make you a legend. Wanna level up? Dive into C. And when your code finally runs, you'll feel like a god. And please don't get angry if I accidentally roasted your favorite language. Whole programming concept is cool as fuck, so chill and leave a like.